Warm welcome to all of you, all my dear students. Just to let me know, am I audible and visible to all of you? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Everyone, just to let me know, all my dear students. So, you must be thinking about the paper this time, whether it was easy, tough, how much ranking you are going to get, which portion was easy, which portion was tough. Welcome, welcome, unknown doctor, Anushaps. Good evening, good evening. Just to let me know, first of all, am I audible and visible to all of you? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Everyone, just to let me know. Anvers, Salvan, unknown doctor, everyone. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you one thing that this time, not a single student can get 720 on 720 if the paper was in safe hands. Means if the paper has not got leaked, if is always there, because last time what happened, if that has not repeated, then I would like to say this time not a single student is going to get 720 on 720. And even if somebody has got the paper, then also it's very tough to get 720 on 720. This time chemistry portion was, I would like to say, it's not moderate. I would like to say, as I've told you in the starting, it will be moderate to tougher side, and this was from moderate to tough side. Agreed? Agreed. So don't worry if you are not getting those many marks, if you're not getting the marks like in the previous paper. Bio was, I would like to say, on the easier side, but physics and chemistry, it was not easy at all. So first of all, make sure that you should not get worried about that this time you have not done like as in the previous time, right? This time if you're not getting those many marks as in the previous NEET paper, then don't worry. First thing, then only I am going to solve this paper, my dear student, because this time how much I am getting is not that important, how much marks other people are getting, because ranking and the chances of getting government seat depends on that only. So I would like to tell you one thing, that the paper level was not easy. So anyone from your side is there who is asking about, sir, what will be my rank? I have done like this, I am scoring this. So if from your side, is there anyone who can let me know that what marks you people are going to get, expected marks? Now you must be thinking, sir, that even I don't know my answer, whatever the paper I have done, expected cutoff. So my dear students, expected cutoff. Let me talk about expected cutoff, because last time those who are getting general category, those who are getting government seat on 620 marks, safe side was 620. This time I would like to tell you one thing, that my dear students, it must be, if there is no paper leak, if there is no anything like that, the thing which has happened over there, if it is safe, if I say the transparency, 100% transparency is there, then I will say that 580 plus 10 minus 10 plus 10, 580, 590 for general category, it must be the cutoff. Last time the cutoff, it was 620. The place, I'm generally general category and general places I'm talking about, where the cities or the states where the cutoff is very high, I'm talking about that place. For example, if you're talking about Shimla, I'm not talking about Shimla because Himachal Pradesh, there the cutoff will be very low. I'm telling you wherever you were getting 620, then you were getting the government seat. So you can say 30, gap of 30 marks. Suppose in some states you were getting government seat at 610 marks, you will get at 580. So at least 30 marks gap will be there. So if it is like this, yeah, physics was tough, and not only organic and inorganic was tough, even physical was also tough. The whole chemistry paper, I would like to say, not all the questions, but if I talk about the general category, then the whole chemistry paper was tough. Now, I know that this time you people are not worried about the answers. Maximum people are worried about the rank, what rank they are going to get, what was the level of the paper. Now, let me go one by one. Let me solve the questions, okay? So, let's see. If I talk about this question, let me go one by one, okay? Let me go one by one. So, my dear students, everyone write down here how much you are getting, approximately what cutoff, better to say what marks you are getting. Write down your expected marks, but right now you have not seen the paper, that how to decide that my answer is right or wrong. So let me solve it. If you see this question on your screen, consider the following reaction and choose the correct option. If you see this, this is from my, yeah, yes, very good. Now this is from my notes only, or better to say everyone's notes. Why to say only from my notes? All teachers must have taught you this is your ITARD reaction. I've given one mind map, the big mind map, and it was there. So see, they are asking, consider the following reaction and choose the correct option. Compound P is obtained by the hydrogenation of benzoyl chloride. Compound P is obtained by, yeah. So they are asking about the correct option. First one is Rosenmund. Second one, on treating P with saturated sodium by carbonate solution, brisk effervescence. No. Benzaldehyde is not an acid. So see, this paper is not easy, kids. Options, see the options. Benzaldehyde will give brisk effervescence or not? How it can give? It's not an acid. So this is wrong. Second statement is wrong. Compound P can be prepared by treating benzene with anhydrous AlCl3CO. No, that is acetophenone. But here we are getting benzaldehyde. Now, fourth option. On treatment with the bromine water, compound P gives white PPT. No, that is the phenol or aniline will give. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is compound P is obtained by the hydrogenation of benzoyl chloride with H2. Yeah, benzaldehyde. First answer will be the correct answer, because benzaldehyde, by Rosenmund reaction also we will get benzaldehyde. Now, which question you are worried? Do let me know in the chat section, my dear students. Your queries, each and everything, what actually you are in need of. Should I solve the paper right now, or you want to know that the physics paper level was, the chemistry, organic, inorganic, physical, what was the level, and whether you will get selected or not? What thing actually you are in need of? Just do let me know, kids. Just do let me know what actually you are in need of. Do let me know quickly in the chat section. I will tell you each and everything, and I will tell you one more basic, very important thing, that how many questions will be for bonus. That I will tell you at the last, not right now. Not right now, kids, because I can see number of questions. Do let me know, everyone. Just do let me know, kids. Everyone, quickly do let me know. Quickly. Paper discussion. Okay. So you want to see the answers. You are interested in the answers, right, kids? Okay. Let's see. Just give me a second. Okay, just a second. Okay, okay. Ritvik, just check it out. Check it out. Or you can give me, you can put it over. You can put it over in this. Just a second, kids. Okay, put it over there. I want to see all the comments and how many people are there. I want to see that so that I can reply. Where? Okay. Okay, let's go with the answer. So, huh? So, kids, see, the first question, benzaldehyde is the answer. Now, which question you want to know? That another question. Just see the formula of tetramine aqua chlorido cobalt 3 chloride. Tetramine, you see tetramine aqua chlorido, and what's the oxidation state of this? You see x 0 0 0 and -3, so that side it will go, so +3. So this is +3 because they are writing 3 here. You see this can't be the answer. Here you see Cl3, but aqua is not there, this cannot be the answer. Here you can see this can't be the answer. So this question is very simple. First is the correct answer. Why? Which code? Let me see. Just wait, let me check it out. The code of this paper is 70. The code is like 70. Is it okay? The booklet code is 70. The code this time is like 70 in numbers. 70 is the code. This is right or wrong, kids? Do let me know. 70 is the code. I cannot see your messages. Why? I can't understand. Show me some fire emojis so that I can chat with you, so that I can understand what you want to ask. I cannot see your messages. Right now, the messages are missing, kids. All the old messages I am able to see right now. So, the code is 70. If you are able to hear me, everyone just do let me know. I can't see your messages. Anyways, now let's see another question. Question number 48. The lanthanide ion having 4 unpaired electrons is. Now 4 unpaired electron, that means if you see cerium, se par nand prema samyugadre. So you see the electrons will keep on filling in the F, but there are some elements with exceptional configuration. If you know that, then only you can understand which element is having how many 4 unpaired electrons. This is not easy question, kids. First of all, you should know, you should understand what that which is being exceptional case. If you know that gadolinium is exceptional case, now I can see Dr. Jadip, yeah, Everyone just write down something in the chat section so that I can understand that you are able to see me. Pratibhan, Vasharan, yes, Dr. Jaideep, now I can see the fire. Everyone, show me some fire signal so that I can understand that yes, I'm perfectly audible and visible so that you can get advantage. Because once if I am unable to see your messages, I won't be able to help you kids. Quick, quick, quick. Now see kids. First of all, everyone show me the fire signal in the chat section so that I can understand that I'm audible and visible to all of you. Perfectly audible and visible to all of you kids. Do let me know. Do let me know. Everyone. Parthivan, very good. Two emojis signal. I can see the fire signal. I can see only two emojis. Rest of the people, what are you doing kids? Then only I can help you. Quick, quick, quick kids. Quick. Now see how to get it. First of all, write down Lanthanum families from Cerium, Se, Par, Nand, Prem, Sam, Yu, Gadrai. Now you see 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Gadolinium is having D1. Gadolinium is having D1. And cerium, leave the cerium, but I would like to say it's a filling of D1, D2, D3, D4, D4. Like this, it will move like this. But what they are writing, that which is having 4 unpaired electrons, total 4 unpaired electrons. Now see, total 4 unpaired electron, which element will be having, how to get it. Once you have done this much, you can find out that 4 unpaired electrons. Now you see that they have lost electrons. Once they are going to lose electron, they are having 6s2. 6s2 is filled. 2 electrons will go from there. Once 2 electrons are going from there and 1 electron will go from here, so this is D4 and this is D5. I would like to say F5, sorry, not D5. They will not be D, they are actually filling of F, sorry. In place of D, write down F. They all are being F, not D. They all are being F, F, and this samarium D4 and this is F5. F5. Are you getting my point? Now, if you remove the electrons, the electron first of all will go from where? Will go from where? Definitely from the outermost orbit. Then it will go from C. Only this gadolinium is having D1. Rest of them, they are having D0. Rest of the others are having D0. And 4s2 is filled. So just think that which will be having 4 electrons, unpaired electrons. So what answer you have ticked? Which answer you have given? Just to let me know kids. I have given you each and everything. Now you can tell me, but let me check it out that you are active in the chat section or not. How many people are active in the chat section? Then only Baba is going to explain the answer kids. I will tell you each and everything. What first of all, everyone just to let me know. Kids, quick, quick, quick. I can't see your messages. I don't know whether I'm audible and visible to all of you. What happened, kids? Right now, I'm unable to see you, kids. In this way, how I can help you, kids? In this way, Baba won't be able to help you. Just to let me know, kids. Now see kids. Wow, this question. You see, question number 52, everyone. RMGX, remember that RMGX. If I write RMGX, Grignard reagent, on reaction with any entity. Yeah, Shini, I do remember. Now I can see Shini's message. I was waiting for everyone so that I can solve each and every question, but people were not writing anything, so I thought people are not there. So see, RMGX with any material, any entity, any chemical reagent, if it is getting active hydrogen, it will change into RH. So at this place, active hydrogen must be present, active hydrogen. So you see RMGX will get active hydrogen and first will be the answer. How many have you gone for the first answer? Do let me know. 52, this cyclohexane will be the correct answer. Shini is writing B. No, B will not be the answer. A will be the answer. RH, hydrocarbon will be formed. Shini, first is the correct answer. Now do let me know everyone what marks, what answer is being marked by you. Then only Baba is going to help you kids. What answer you people have marked? You are not writing in the chat section. Chat is running very slow. So I am not going to help you kids. Next question. Given below are two statements. Heating NaCl with concentrated H2SO4 and NMO2 results in the oxidation of manganese. Shini has gone for B. No, A is the correct answer for that. Now, MnO2 is the black color powder, and NaCl, chlorine will undergo oxidation. Cl2, it will form as Cl2. Now see, MnO2 act as catalyst. MnO2 deepens the color of chlorine. Now in the second case also, NaI, that I2 gas will get released. What answer is marked by you? Just see. If you see that they are black colored, MnO2 powder is acting as the catalyst, so it will deepens. The HCl will undergo, the HCl gas formed, which is colorless, will undergo oxidation to form greenish yellow colored chlorine gas. That's it. Okay. Now, among the following options, the correct trend in the electron gain enthalpy. Now, electron gain enthalpy, chlorine should be on number 1. Electron gain enthalpy, chlorine is on number 1. So, fourth option is correct. What answer is written by you kids? Do let me know. Iodine cannot have maximum electron gain enthalpy. Fluorine cannot have, bromine cannot have chlorine. So, it was easy question. Easy kill. Just do let me know, have you gone for it or not? Do let me know kids. Baba is waiting for your answer. Do let me know everyone. What answer is being marked by you? Shini, do let me know. What answer is being marked by you? So, next question. Fe oxalate is chiral. My God, see, such a great question. Now, oxalate is like this. C double bond O, O negative, C double bond O, O negative. Now, it is symmetrical. It is just like the same question. Yeah, this was very tough, Jaideep. chemistry paper and physics paper was tough. Now you see, oxalate is having symmetry. It is like ethylene diamine. Now if you see in the NCERT, En whole thrice is given. If you see your NCERT, let me show you NCERT, which part was optically active and which part was optically inactive. One part was optically active, another part was optically inactive. So whether they are going for cis or trans, that is the question, right? Now what they are writing, wow, such a great question. See, kids, chiral. If this is not having, if no plane of symmetry, then it will be chiral. If there is plane of symmetry, then it will be not chiral. If you see your NCERT, then in place of oxalate in the examination, in the NCERT, they have written En, ethylene diamine, if you remember that, kids. So you can answer it. Now another question. If you see this question, in identify the reaction which is as the major product. So here cyanide will change into CH2, NH2. Here amide will change into NH2CO will go 1 degree amine. Here NaBH4 reduction NH2 most probably, and HCl hydrolysis NHCOCH3. So it's tough. So choose the correct answer for the option. So they have written for the primary amine as the answer. So this have given primary amine and B has given primary amine. So A and B, A and B, A and B, right? A and B. How many of you have marked A and B, kids? Do let me know. Now let's see what this channel is talking about. Some channel are talking about the level of the paper. Let me check it out.
तो है तो बहुत छोटा सा, अब बच्चे को उस प्रेशर में वहाँ स्ट्राइक करता है, उतने कम समय में उसे कर पाना, सवाल आसान होना पर कम समय में कर पाना.
So they are writing.
फिजिक्स का टफ नजर आ रहा है, केमिस्ट्री टफ नजर आ रही है और बायोलॉजी ऑलमोस्ट वैसी है. तो जहाँ तक अभी तक हम जो शुरुआती रुझाने की अपना जो है
Physics paper very tough, chemistry very tough. So the team is doing discussion.
पेपर से तैयारी करी है उसका इम्पैक्ट आया है जिन बच्चों ने ज्यादा पेपर, और निश्चित रूप से जिन लोगों ने मतलब अच्छे तैयारी की है, जिन्होंने जेईई मेन के पेपर भी लगाए, अपने मॉड्यूल भी पूरे लगाए, उनको फायदा हुआ, नोट्स भी पूरे लगाए, और जो विशेष करके अपन लोगों ने टेस्ट लिए थे. एग्जैक्टली.
So see what they are talking about. The paper level is very very tough.
चाहे उसे वो क्वेश्चन टेस्ट में नहीं आया, लेकिन उसे जाके पता लग गया यार ये क्या हो रहा है मेरा, क्यों नहीं आया.
Which question? Which question? Jaideep, which question you are talking about? Which question you are talking about? Do let me know. Previous question. Previous means this one. 1 degree amine one. Or this one. Okay, you must be talking about this question. Statement, oxidation of para-nitrotoluene. Para-nitrotoluene is like this. With acidic KMNO4. So methyl will undergo oxidation. It will form COOH. And here NO2 only, right? That is stronger than benzoic acid. So definitely it is stronger acid than benzoic acid because NO2 is having minus M and minus I. So the first statement is true. I would like to say the first statement is true. Now reduction of para-nitrotoluene with this, so nitro will undergo reduction, so you will get CH3 and NH2. Neutralization gives amine that is more basic than aniline. Yeah, this is more basic than aniline because methyl is plus H, so this is also true. State 1 is true, statement 2 is also true. Correct, correct, both are correct. So Second is the answer. Both the statements. Chiral one. Okay, chiral one. See. So that is chiral. If you draw a structure, see, there will be no plane of symmetry. Let me draw it. Just wait. Just wait. That is definitely chiral. Let me draw it. Jadip, let's see to it. If I say that one oxalate, octahedral, three oxalate were there, just see, Fe oxalate 3. If I say that oxalate, one oxygen I am putting over here and one oxygen I am putting over here, till now there is plane of symmetry. This space is occupied. Now oxalate is having two ends. If one end is touching over here, another end will touch over here, right? At the top, it's bidentate ligand, symmetrical. Now which space is left? One space this, one space this. If I take it from here, it will go like this. Now if you want to cut it like this side I'm not having oxalate, but this side I'm having oxalate, no plane of symmetry. If I cut it like this, so this side, upper side oxalate is there, but this side oxalate is not there, then also there is no plane of symmetry. If I cut it like this, you see this side oxalate is there, this side is not there, so there is no plane of symmetry. Such type of example is given in your NCERT. They have taken EN case, EN2. So anyhow you draw it, oxalate, there is no plane of symmetry. 100% the compound is chiral. There is no chiral carbon, but as a whole the compound Fe oxalate whole thrice is optically active because the compound is chiral, because there is no any element of symmetry. Got it? Jadip, you got it? I hope you got it. Do let me know. Jadip? Now, everyone just do let me know in the chat section you are able to understand or not. Kids? Everyone just do let me know. Quick, quick. Quick, kids. Now another one. You see this question. Is it visible to all of you on a screen? Everyone quickly do let me know. Quick, quick. Fast, kids, fast. Now see. This compound, if you see, they are writing the compound that cannot be obtained from the aldol condensation reaction, right? Oh, Jadip, no problem. See, this compound is having two alpha hydrogens, right? And this compound, there is no alpha hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. So if I say the cross aldol condensation, so definitely this is true, because they are writing cannot be obtained. This is true, so this is not the answer. Now, if I say that self-aldol condensation, then self-aldol condensation, this and its molecule and molecule and two alpha hydrogens will go over there. Let me draw it, just wait. Let me where it's gone. It is over here, right? 2-methyl cyclos. So let me take one page. It is like this. 5-membered ring, and double bond O and 2-methyl. It's like this only, right? So let me take another molecule, the alpha hydrogens like this, and 2-methyls like this. So its two hydrogens will go and bond will get formed. So the compound formed will be like this. 2 methyls double bond O, and it is your aldol condensation alpha beta. If this is the product, let me check it out. In between two rings, it's like this. So in between two rings, you see it's wrong. All right, its double bond is remaining, its two methyls are remaining, and if you check it out, one compounds at here, two methyls are there, and if I turn it upside down, so you can see one is having double bond O, and the one who is having double bond O C with respect to that alpha beta, and the one which is having double bond O, on both of its alpha side, one side two methyl and one side double bond. So see, if I say this one, the one is having double bond O, one side two methyl bond, and another side what should be there, another side what should be there, let's see another side, let me check it out, another side, the one which is having double bond O, with that only alpha beta unsaturation should be there, the one which is having double bond O should have alpha beta. But if you see the double bond O, you see the double bond, this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma, this is not an aldol. So this is wrong, this is wrong, this can't be formed. So this is your answer, this is wrong, if you're getting it what I'm saying. Now let's see the third one. If I say the third one is same like C6H5 CH. If you compare the first and third, they are same only, first and third are same. And if you see this alpha beta, this is true, this is true, this is true, only one is wrong, the second option is wrong. Can you get it, Jaideep and all? Second can't be the answer. You see, it's not aldol condensation because beta and gamma unsaturation is there, and aldol condensation alpha beta unsaturation must be there. So second option is correct. If you see, check it out, because they have asked cannot be obtained from aldol condensation. They are not asking which can be obtained. They are writing which cannot be obtained. Everyone, only Jaideep is active. Rest of other students, do let me know you are able to get it or not. Kids, I'm asking to you only. You people are able to understand or not? Do let me know, kids. Quick, kids, in the chat section, do let me know, everyone, that you people are able to understand or not. Quickly, do let me know, kids. Quickly. जल्दी से बताओ मुझे, प्यारे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, जल्दी से बताइए. Okay, now let me check it out. It's very hot. Next question. The compound 61st one. Baba, I was your previous year Phoenix. Arun, yeah, I remember Arun. Very good, Arun. You have really done a great job. Wow, Arun, that's really fantastic. Kids, now see this question. Question number 61, everyone. The complex which has facts and meridional isomers, for that, it should be like this, Ma3 and B3. It should be like this. Now let's see who is following that. If you see, the first option can't be the answer. Second is right. This and this, they are wrong. Second is the correct answer for this. Check it out, everyone. Arun, welcome. Everyone, just check it out. Have you done it? Quick. Everyone, just do let me know. You people are able to understand or not? Quick. Now, next question. ओ भाई साहब, ये क्वेश्चन भी आ गया. See, this तो I have told you this year they will ask this question. Ayyo, Rangaswamy. And they have asked this question. Kids, I've told you this time they will ask question based on Schrodinger. Have I told you or not? Just to let me know. Have I told you or not that this time definitely they will ask this question? Wow, that's really great. Now, consider the following plots orbital wave function psi against distance r. Okay, it is starting from the upside, so this is for s. And you see, wow, here is 0, so radial node is 0. Radial node is 0 over here. Here 0 is over here, so radial node aha is 1. Oh, fantastic question, kids. You see, I have told you the smartness of NCERT. And if you see, this is also starting from S for S. This is for S, this is for S. And one radial nodes for definitely 2S, and this is for 1S. And this graph is also starting from up. And you see the radial node 1, 2. Two radial nodes are there. So it must be for 3S. And this is starting from downside, so it will be either for P or D. It can't be for S. And how many radial nodes? One radial node, so it will be either it will be 3P or it will be 4D. 3P or 4D. Now the figure representing two radial nodes in the orbital, two radial node only in the which figure? Figures are given over there. A, B, C, D, they have marked or not? I don't think they have marked, but how to get it? Yeah, they have marked A, B, C. C is the correct answer. Wow, kids. Hey, are you listening to Baba? Such a great question. If you've watched my lectures, I've taken a special session for Schrodinger's graph. If you remember, kids, do let me know quickly. This is the question directly from my notes. If you remember, kids, do let me know. Quickly do let me know, kids. Fast. बच्चा लोग, quick. I cannot see you people, so I am not going to tell you. Such a great question they have asked. If you remember my notes. Now, the following carbocation is stabilized by the interaction of the empty p orbital with sigma conjugation, hyperconjugation, empty, no, filled sigma and filled pi orbital. No, its sigma electron is moving from, wow, this is very tough question. If you see, I taught you this also. Sigma electrons are moving to vacant pure p orbital. So filled sigma and filled pi orbital, no. I think this question will go for bonus. The following carbocation is stabilized by the interaction of the empty p orbital with p orbital with sigma, as well as resonance and resonance of this pure p orbital both side. This side it is stabilized by resonance, and that side by hyperconjugation. So let's see, empty भाई साहब, empty sigma anti-bonding, no. Filled sigma and filled pi, no. Kids, I think question number 65, there is a glitch. This side resonance and this side resonance, that means pure p orbital electron will go to this unfilled. So this plus charge means empty p orbital only, pure p orbital. But they have not given empty pure p orbital. Where they have given? Empty pure p orbital, nowhere they have mentioned. The following carbocation is stabilized by the interaction of empty p orbital with filled p orbital. Options are missing, so there is ambiguity. I think there should be a glitch in this question. There is something wrong in this question. I am unable to understand. Let me check it out. Let me ask somewhere. This question I am having doubt. Just wait, kids. Yeah, let me check it out. Let me check it out and let me ask, because it should be from that side. It is sigma, filled sigma. If I say about hyperconjugation, filled sigma, but filled sigma should come to empty pi orbital, and this side filled pi orbital to empty p orbital. No option is getting matched. Let me check it out. That time also I was the one who was talking about bonus question.
ने एक बोगस सवाल पूछा है। मेरे पास जो सेट वेट छोड़ो, मैं 70 नंबर सेट है, इसमें क्वेश्चन आया विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट रीअब्जॉर्प्शन प्रोसेसेस इन हेनलीज लूप आर करेक्ट। तो हम लोग इसको अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे सर। इसमें जो मेरे को लगता है कि ऑप्शन सेम था एक क्वेश्चन में। अच्छा, मतलब ऑप्शन सेम था, तो मे बी वो क्वेश्चन बोनस होना चाहिए। केमिस्ट्री वाला क्वेश्चन कैसा था? बायोलॉजी ठीक था। बायोलॉजी ठीक था, हाँ। केमिस्ट्री का जेनेटिक्स वाले पोर्शन से क्वेश्चन था क्या? जेनेटिक्स वाले पोर्शन से मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ लिविंग, बट उतना नहीं था, इतना एक्सपेक्टेड था। जैसे कहते हैं 10 क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, लेकिन
Just wait, kids, just wait. Let me check it out from, I think.
देखो एंटी कहता है वैसे तो हम पेपर ठीक बनाएंगे, पर अगर गलती हो गई तो क्या बोनस के रूल्स हैं और ये प्रश्न में दे रखा है 41 जून के लिए हेल्प करें। क्या रूल है देख लो। रूल नंबर स्ट्रक्चर तभी सेम होगा जब ओरिजिन सेम होगा। हाँ, एंड एंसेस्टर ओरिजिन। देन हम सर ने भी कहा था कि बिल्कुल चिल करिए और सोशल।
Right now, so no one is talking about, but I'm not getting answer of this question. I will talk about it later on, but yes, no answer is getting matched. Okay. I will come to this question. Just wait and watch, kids. I will come. once again to this question. Don't worry. Now this question is simple. I would like to say this question is simple. 1 raised to 3 electrolyte. If you see 1 raised to 3, so it's 1 molecule and 3 molecules of chloride, because 3 molecules of chloride will ionize, so it will be the fourth answer. For this question, it's simple question. I would like to say this is being simple question, right? It's not tough, not at all, it's tough. Now, if you see, now, if you remember that my trick for I have given you one trick, that is the spectrochemical series. So if you remember that, according to crystal field theory, the correct order of ligands with respect to their decreasing order field strength. So these two can't be the answers. Now oxygen is not like this, so second will be the correct answer, right? Carbon, then nitrogen, then oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and definitely nitrogen, then oxygen, then halogens, right? Now if you see this question, in potash alum, the ratio, so alum formula is K2SO4 Al2 SO4 whole thrice 24H2O. This is being potash alum. So potassium 2 potassium sulfate, you see how many sulfate, 1 and 3, 4 sulfates, 4 sulfates. So ratio is 1 raised to 2, 1 raised to 2, 1 raised to 2. Second is the answer. How many of you got this answer? Gets 2. Let me know in the chat section that how many of you got this answer. Now if you see this question, question number 73 is from purification of organic compounds. Purification of organic compounds. Once, let me come to this question, but let me check it out, that the bonus question. Once again, let me type the bonus question.
सर अभी हम सेंटर पे थे तो कुछ पेरेंट्स बोल रहे थे कि पेपर दोबारा न्यूज देखो ये पेरेंट्स का ओपिनियन था एग्जैक्टली इस तरह का घटना जो है अभी 2-3 लोगों ने ऐसा बात बोला सेंटर पे कि पेपर दोबारा लीक हो गया है। अभी हम लोग 3-4 घंटे से यहाँ बैठे हैं, उस बीच में हम लोगों ने वीडियो देखा, कुछ चीजें मैसेज देखा, यूट्यूब पे भी देखा। तो जो भी इस तरह के पेरेंट्स ने ये वर्डिंग रखी, मुझे लगता है कि शायद इस तरह की कोई घटना नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने भी 5-7 और सर ने भी कहा था कि बिल्कुल चिल करिए और क्योंकि जब हुआ था
I was checking whether there is paper leak, any news is there or not. And the question I was telling you, 73 also, 73, 73, okay. Bonus, let me check it out. The amino acid that gives a red blood color, the red blood color on treating with sodium fusion extract, sodium nitroprusside. So sodium nitroprusside test is given by blood red color, then cyanide, C carbon CNS, means nitrogen and sulfur both will be there, and nitrogen and sulfur both should be there. If nitrogen and sulfur both are there, then it will give red color, serine, threonine, leucine, methionine. Do you think any amino acid which is having nitrogen as well as sulfur both? What do you think it's? Any amino acid which is having nitrogen as well as sulfur? So it's a tough question once again. Leucine and isoleucine, definitely they are not there. Serine, sulfur is there in serine, and methionine. So let me take the help of.
This is when the stoichiometry coefficient of reactants n. Perfect. So this is the curve.
So let me check it out, kids. Let me check it out. Structure of serine. Serine amino acid structure. So serine is having nitrogen but no sulfur. So serine should not be there. Let me check it out. Methionine. Methionine is having sulfur as well as nitrogen both. Methionine is having both. So most probably methionine should be the answer, kids. If you check it out, methionine structure is having sulfur as well as nitrogen both. And sodium nitroprusside, when it's getting sodium nitroprusside test, once it's getting sulfur as well as nitrogen, it will form CNS, and CNS on reaction with Las Agnes extract, that is sodium fusion extract, will give this two got leaked. Oh really? How, where Abhishek, where you have got it, where you have got this information that this also got leaked? Abhishek Tripathi, just to let me know that from where the information you have got that this time also there is paper leak. Now, another one, if you see in acidic medium, 10 ml of oxalic acid treated with KMnO4 solution. If the volume of KMnO4 solution required to reach end point is 10, the strength of KMnO4. So it's very simple. If you see oxalic acid, N factor is 2. So 10 into 0.25 into N factor is 2 is equal to KMnO4 in acidic medium. The N factor we know. So normality into volume in ml. Normality we don't know. They are asking about molarity. Molarity into 5 into 10. So now only what you're supposed to solve, you have to find out molarity. So 0.25 into 10, and that side there is 5. So molarity will be, oh, your molarity will be how much, kids? So 0.252s are, definitely you can do, remove the point, don't get confused. 25 twos are 50, and 50 into 10 raised power minus 2 by 5, that will be the molarity. So you see 5, say 5, so there is only 10 raised power minus 1, means 1 upon 10 is there. 1 upon 10, you know very well that it's very simple. So everyone, you must have got this answer. Now let me check it out, the bonus and the leak of the paper. Alright, kids?
Perfect. So this is the concept which you were supposed to do.
Now, you see this question is very simple. Sukhinder Kaur, are you getting? Now see, the correct statement, aluminium has 5 valence orbitals, boron has maximum covalency of 4, That's right. Beryllium has 3 valence orbital, magnesium has maximum. So it's very simple question. It's very simple question. Now, if you see which one is correct over here, among the following, the compound having conjugated double bond, hepta 1,6-diene can't be the answer. Hepta 1,3-diene. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and double bond. And if I say double bond, 1, 2, 3. This is definitely hepta 1,4 can't be the answer. Which of the following compound having conjugated double bond? So this only this hepta 1,3-diene is the correct answer. How many of you have gone for this? Do let me know. It's simple question, very simple question. If you see to it, you will get the answer, kids. Do let me know, everyone, quickly. Quick kids, quick. 75. So 75, boron has maximum covalency of 4. This is correct, because if you see BH4 negative, this is right, the correct statement. Magnesium can't have covalency because it's a metal. Beryllium has 3 valence orbitals. No, only boron can have maximum. So the second is the correct answer. Sukhjinder Kaur, have you got it? Now, another question. Now see, this question number 77. Can you see this question? What answer you have got, kids? Let me check it out. That is there any news of paper leak or bonus question? Now, kids, there is no, right now no one is saying anything, but yeah, I've told you earlier also, I was the first one who has told you that how many questions are for bonus, and this time also Baba H.S.P will be the first one to let you know that how many questions will go for bonus. Just wait and watch. Okay, now zero order reaction where K is equal to this. If the initial concentration of A is 2 molar, then the time taken to complete 75% of the reaction will be. It's very simple question. Everyone can get the answer of this question, my dear students. That we know that A left is equal to A present in the starting minus KT. So if you want to find out time, so the KT will be A naught minus A. Now what they are writing, where K is equal to this, the value of K they have given. If the initial concentration of A was 2 molar, so let me write down 2 molar, then time taken to complete 75%. How much will be the 75% of 2? Kids, how many of you can understand the 75% of 2? Do let me know how much. If you don't know anything, you can write 2 into 75 upon 100. You can write in this way. This is the best way. Now, can you solve it? If I write here 25 3 ja and 25 4 ja and 2 2s are 4, means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Earlier, it was very simple that 2, what is 75%? Simply 1.5. Orally, you can see it in the air, or if you don't know, you can solve it. 1.5. So what they are writing? then the time taken to complete this much. So the left amount will be only 0.5 because 75% completed. So this is the amount which is present at time t. So 2 minus 0.5 is 1.5. So t will be this divided by k, and k is equal to 1. So 1.5 is the correct answer. You could have done it in the air. I have solved it for you kids. Otherwise, you could have done this question in the air. It was simple question. I would like to say this question of physical chemistry was simple question. I'm writing which question is easy, which question is tough, which is very easy. Each and everything Baba is writing. Kids, are you getting my point? My team, please provide me water. Now, let me check it out, kids. What's happening? Is there any case of paper leak or bonus question? Because I am to saying one question definitely for will go for bonus, but let me check it out. Now, anyone, kids, any doubt? Just to let me know.
चार स्टेप में पूछा हो, 2 स्टेप में मैक्सिमम गए हैं, कहीं पे एक ही स्टेप में भी गए हैं, है ना? तो मॉडरेट कहा जा सकता है, मुझे जहां तक लग रहा है कि मॉडरेट या हल्का सा ऊपर हो सकता है.
It's not moderate, it's tough.
थोड़ा सा हाई लेवल की बात कर दी आप लोगों ने, है ना? चलिए मैं आपको इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का बता देता हूं.
It's tough, tough.
हालचाल रहेगा यहाँ पे. ओके ओके.
It's not moderate.
ठीक है जी, जैसा आपको लग रहा है. देखो यार,
Teacher are thinking with their level, but think with the level of students. Now, my dear students, if you say the one, if the type of salt is same, then you can compare the solubility and solubility level, right? Now, what they are writing, the oxidation state and the options given. The correct decreasing order of oxidation states. Okay, so let me check it out, kids. Which option is correct, right? Wait, kids, wait. See, kids, if I say P4O6, so 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12 by 4. So plus 3. Can I write plus 3? Chlorine Cl2O7. So total 14. 2x 14. So x is equal to plus 7. Plus 7, right? Yes. Now AlH3 you can see. So Cl2O7 should be now the correct decreasing order of oxidation state of the underlined atoms. So what to say, kids? P4O10 it's plus 5. Plus 5. Oh ho ho, yeah. So see, first one can't be the correct. First one can't be the correct answer, kids. Second one, P4O10 plus 5, sulfur is plus 6. So even this can't be the correct. N2O5 plus 5, Al2O3, 6 plus 3, and this is minus 2. So third one is the correct answer, kids. Can you see? Everyone just do let me know. Can you see the answer? That third one is the correct answer. Now, another question. Let me check it out. Wow, this is Carnot's engine. This is so simply very simple question. Directly they have given Carnot's engine, so no need to tell you. Now, if you see question number 81, can you see on your screen? Can you see, kids? Everyone just do let me know. Can you see? For an ideal solution formed by mixing liquid P and Q, delta H mixing 0 and delta V mixing 0, no interaction occurs between P and Q. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate. Okay, so A is correct and B is correct, and the correct explanation also. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation. So second will be the correct answer of this question. Are you getting my point, kids? Everyone just do let me know. Wow. If you see this question, everyone just do let me know. Is it visible to all of you? Is it visible to all of you, kids? Do let me know. Everyone just do let me know. Among the following species, the only magnetic moment is highest for. Now see, if I say cyanide is strong field ligand, cyanide is strong field ligand, and ammonia with cobalt 3 plus, otherwise ammonia is a weak field ligand, but with cobalt 3 plus, ammonia also act as strong field ligand, right? So definitely let me check it out for titanium. Scandium science teacher, teacher means titanium, titanium 3 plus is 0, so this though can't be the answer. Now if I talk about manganese iron, if you know manganese atomic number is 25, iron is 26 and cobalt is 27. Both are having plus 3, plus 3. So let me check it out. That manganese plus 3, that means 4s0, 3d4, 3d4, 3d4 under the influence of ligand 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many electrons has to accumulate? It is having 3d4, 4 electrons, right? Manganese 5, 2 has gone 4 here, 4 here, that means 1, 2, 3 and fourth will lie over here, 2, n is equal to 2. Now iron 26, 2 will go 5 and 5 has to accommodate in these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So n is equal to only 1. Now cobalt 27, 27, 2 gone and 7, 6, 6 has to accommodate. So 6 will lie over like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, n is equal to 0. So 2 electrons. Manganese will be having magnetic moment highest, 2 point something, right? Are you able to understand what I am saying, kids? Do let me know. Everyone just do let me know. Everyone, are you able to understand what your Baba H.S.P is talking about? Do let me know, kids, quickly. Now, got it. Very good. Very good. Now, next question. Question number 85. Everyone just see to it. Then I will tell you. Till that time, let me check once again. Anything in your favor. Any leak of paper or something else is there. What to say, kids? Let me check it out. Oh yeah, just wait. Let me check it out. Any bonus question or any paper leak case is there? Let me check it out. But kids, let me tell you, the level of the paper was not in favor of students. In this much of less time and under pressure, how the people, they can solve such a great paper. I would like to say, it's not a justice, it's not a transparency. It's something wrong for the students. I'm not happy, kids. I'm not happy. Not at all. Baba is happy, kids. Let me tell you, Baba is not happy at all. This is not the way to be paper to be made, kids. Very, very bad approach, wrong approach, I would like to say. It's really wrong approach. Why and how they made the paper in this way, I can't understand, kids. It's really something very, very bad. I'm so sorry from my side. Although the paper is made by NTA, but Baba is not happy. Kids must be crying at the corner. It's something, a shock, a sudden, what to say, jerk. This is not the way to make the paper. If first time the paper got leaked, then that doesn't mean that kids have become a pro and you can take revenge. You should not have taken revenge. I'm not, my mind is not towards solving the paper. I'm solving the paper, but what they're thinking about. The kids are like supercomputer. They have to give the biology paper, they have to attempt, they have to go for the physics paper, they have to go for the physical, inorganic, organic chemistry. How dare you people to make paper in this way? You are not thinking for students. If I say that the one who is making this paper, if I ask that person, can you solve this paper? You yourself, can you solve this paper? All, it's tough. It's not moderate. Why teachers are talking like that? Because one teacher is teaching inorganic chemistry, inorganic teacher is saying, oh, it's moderate. Physical chemistry is saying, oh, it's okay. Organic chemistry is saying, then why you are not teaching all the three portions? If there is a teacher who is teaching all three portions, that teacher only can tell you that paper was easy, moderate or tough. If you are just teaching either physical chemistry, organic chemistry or inorganic chemistry and saying it's moderate, that's not fair, that's wrong. So maximum teacher are like this. They are teaching organic, then they are not teaching physical. If they are teaching physical, they are not teaching organic and inorganic. If you are not able to teach the whole chemistry, physical, organic, inorganic, how a student can solve the whole three portions, and that too in such high pressure? This is very, very wrong approach from teacher's side, that if they are saying that chemistry paper was moderate, no, it's not moderate. For students, it's tough, and students are learning from you just in 2 years, and you have spent your whole life in just doing that chemistry, and then also you're not able to teach the whole chemistry. And this is a very wrong approach from teacher's side as well. I'm so sad. I'm so unhappy, kids. They should not have done like this. This is very, very wrong approach from teacher's side, kids. Now anyways, let me solve this question. Let's see, kids. And let me tell you, I will definitely tell you 3 to 4 questions for bonus, because once they are giving such type of questions, one is in biology and in 2 in chemistry, I will let you know. 580, right? Even it will go low than that. Ashi Priya, welcome. If you are getting 570, 575, then you are on safe side. I've already told you that whatever the cutoff was there for NEET 2026, decrease 35 to 40 marks from there. That if it was 620, then decrease 40 marks, it will be 580 only. Right? Are you getting my point? If it was 610, then 575, like that. Really hard, yeah. Bio paper was easy, but chemistry and physics, I would like to say it's tough. See, Schrodinger, I have told you Schrodinger graph they will give you in this time. This time they will give you Schrodinger वाला graph देंगे. मैंने बोला था आपसे कि just to take the revenge, they will give you this time Schrodinger one. And the same thing they have applied in the NCERT zero, that trick of zero, just zero. And I told you, if you have attended my lecture of that graph one, Schrodinger graph one, then you must remember, then you would have done that question. They have applied the same trick. So 7, 570, 580, the cutoff will be like this, not more than that. Now let's see the question number 85. The first ionization enthalpy of oxygen is lower than that of nitrogen. True, 100% true. The loss of one electron from oxygen leads to a stable half-filled p orbital. This is also true, and this explanation is also correct. Explanation is also correct, right? Both are correct and the explanation is also correct. Now see, this organic chemistry question. This is same from my notes. If you have seen that question I have prepared, right hand side you will get cis, and left hand side you will get trans. Now trans, so what you are going to get, C6H5, and yeah, very good question. Free radical will get formed, and this is the free radical, so it will be CH2, CHBr, and CH3, because that free radical is stabilized by resonance. And here simply, so CH double bond CH, the carbocation, so Br will be over here. So they are position isomers. So they are stereoisomers, no. Geometrical, no. Enantiomer geometrical hai. So what they are asking? They are asking about L and K. L and K are geometrical isomers. L and K are geometrical. One is cis, one is trans, right? L and K are geometrical isomers. So they are writing M and N are not stereoisomers, nor they are position isomers. So wrong. KL are enantiomers. No, that is also wrong. MN are geometrical. That is also wrong. So only second. Very good question, kids. But see, I am solving it with a cool brain. Then I am able to solve it. Just check out a kid who is in that much of pressure, how that kid would have solved this. Kids, it's not easy. And just wait a second, kids. The kid who is in that much of pressure, how that could have solved that paper. Pranjal, Lag, Anik, Dr. Jaideep, are you getting my point? The kid who is under that much of pressure, how that kid would have solved this paper. Now let's move towards another question. The highest occupied molecular orbital in Ne2. So that's really good question. So it will be sigma Tp Z pi 2p x is equal to pi 2p y pi antibonding sigma antibonding 2p z. So answer will be sigma antibonding 2p. Sigma antibonding 2p. This will be the answer. Just do let me know that have you marked this answer kits or not? Now, let's see this question kits. Generally, 3D transition metals have high melting point. True. Involving 3D electrons in addition to 4s electron in the interatomic metallic bonding. True. Both are true and R is the correct answer, correct explanation, right? Next, if you see this question, now this is easy, but in the examination it will take too much time. Why they have given such type of lengthy question? Let's see. PCl5, everyone notes trigonal bipyramidal. So A is 3. A is 3, so second can't be the answer. Now BRF5, so bromine is having 7 electrons, 1 lone pair and 5 sigma bonds. So 6 electronic geometry will be sp3d2, right? Now sp3d2, but 1 lone pair, it is supposed to be sp3d2 means 3 1 4 2 6. It's simple sp3d2, but 1 lone pair, definitely BRF5. 1 it a little bit bent because 1 lone pair will destroy the structure, but still it will remain square pyramidal. B is 4. BF4 negative is tetrahedral, so C is 1. C is 1, C is 1, so this can't be the answer. And B is 3. No. B is 4. B is 4. B is 4. So this will be the correct answer. So this question is easy, but I'm doing it so coolly without any pressure, then I'm able to solve this question. But under pressure, it will require time. But okay, I will say it's little bit lengthy but easy. So I will say it's easy but a little bit time killing, right? Now, one question, this is from bio or chemistry. Let's see. Vitamin A, green leafy vegetables. So I will say A is 3. A is 3. So these two can't be the answers. And rest of the others, even I don't know what to say. Vitamin B12, meat, eat, vitamin E, vitamin K. It's very tough question. Bio students can only do this question, kids. So I would like to say it's little bit lengthy question, not lengthy, little bit tricky question, right? So can you let me know what is the correct answer, kids? Meat. In meat, what is present? I think vitamin E or something else. So either answer will, oh, A is 3 only, na? A is 3, so only this. So I have got the answer with first approach only, right? Now, this is your acetophenone first, and acetophenone gets iodoform test, so it will be C6H5 COONA and NaOCl. So this will be CHCl3 haloform test. First Friedel-Crafts acylation, and then after Friedel-Crafts acylation it is haloform test, that is chloroform test. Chloroform test. Now let's see, both P and Q are carbonyl compound. Wrong. P is sodium salt of carboxyl and Q is primary alcohol. How primary alcohol? No. because it's hollow form test. No. P is carboxylic acid on acidification. Q is poisonous gas on exposure. Yes, this is right. Q gives a poisonous gas. So remember that chloroform on exposure to oxygen forms phosgene gas, which is poisonous. And that's why in the hospital, vitamin A is in carrots. Vitamin A is in carrots. Yeah. Vitamin A, oh, carotene. You are right. That question, right. I think I have done it wrong. Vitamin A is in carrot. Yes. Where that question has gone? Where that question? Yeah, vitamin A is in carrot. Yeah. Wait. Thank you, kids. Vitamin A is in carrot. So fourth. A is fourth. So then green leafy vegetables also having vitamin A. Beta carotene, you are right, beta carotene that is present in carrots. Then which option? Vitamin B12 in meat. B12 in meat. B is 1. B is 1, A is 4. So you want to say third is the answer. Third is the answer. Okay, thank you. Now let me come back, kids, where I was. Yeah, I was over here. Now see, this chloroform on exposure to oxygen. Thank you, Shriti, thank you. And everyone, Shriti, Dr. Jaideep, thank you. Now, what I want to say, that chloroform, what I was telling you, kids, chloroform on exposure to oxygen gives poisonous gas, phosgene. Botany calculation question also. Okay. Now, that's why in the chloroform, they are adding a little bit of ethyl alcohol and dark colored bottles they are provided with. So it's this question's answer. Which question? This question's answer is fourth. Have you marked fourth only? Do let me know, kids. Question number 90, the answer is fourth. Have you gone for the fourth or not? Do let me know, kids. Another question. Now this is bio. Now let me go back, kids, and let me check it out. Till now the questions are okay. This question though you must have done. First was the answer. See, this 50th question, this is directly from the NCERT. And this I have told you in my notes, in my mind map, that if you heat KMNO4, then what it is going to provide? It will provide both K2MNO4 and MNO2. Which answer? My cool tube, which answer? Which answer is wrong? Which answer? Which question? My cool tube? Water. My cool tube, which questions answer you are asking? Do let me know. '90, 90th. Your question's answer has gone wrong, or my answer is wrong, you are saying. My cool tube, answer 90, your answer is wrong or my answer is wrong? Ship, Pani. Do let me know. My cool tube, my answer, do you think is wrong? Oh, so this question was really good question. How much you are getting, kids? You must have gone for the, do let me know, kids. What's your score? How much you are getting? Tell me something about what's your score, then I can help you for cutoff. Tell me. Katare is getting 100 good in chemistry. Very tough to say, but 20 marks more. 120 is okay. I would like to say that. Bonus question, I will make video. I will make video on that. I will make video on that for the bonus question. Definitely I will make video. Now you see this question. Let's see how many of you have done this question. See to it, everyone. This question. Have you done it? And let me tell you the answer of this. Answer of this question is first. You check it out. This question is not easy question. Just check it out. How many of you have done it correctly? Do let me know, kids. If you remember that this question I have told you in my notes, Bayer's reagent. If you remember Bayer's reagent, see Bayer's reagent. Yes, Rajesh Katare, you are absolutely correct. You are 100% correct. If you remember that I taught you that Bayer's reagent, what Bayer's reagent is going to do, that is syn addition. And the trick I have told you, CSM, meso. If cis alkene is there, then syn addition meso product will be there. Do you remember? Two mind maps I have given for this question. And I have told you that cold alkaline dilute KMNO4 will do this thing. If you remember, kids. Do you remember? And this question, which, see, let me tell you this question. Even this question, I would like to say that he has, just a second kids, just a second. Hello, sir, namaskar. 580. हाँ, टफ था, केमिस्ट्री भी टफ और फिजिक्स भी टफ। केमिस्ट्री देखो, अब अगर कोई फिजिकल पढ़ा रहा है, कोई इनऑर्गेनिक पढ़ा रहा है, कोई ऑर्गेनिक पढ़ा रहा है, तो मास्टर बोलेगा मॉडरेट थी। लेकिन यार, लेकिन बच्चे को तो तीनों पोर्शन करने हैं ना, तो टफ भी है, लेंदी भी। यार देखो, श्रोडिंगर का ग्राफ कौन देता है? कोई नहीं पढ़ाता था। श्रोडिंगर का मैं पढ़ाता था, मैंने कहा आएगा, आ गया। हाँ, श्रोडिंगर आ गया। और जो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में भी एक दो क्वेश्चन ऐसे हैं जो आसान नहीं है, मतलब 720 तो किसी के नहीं आएंगे अगर पेपर आउट नहीं है भाई। हाँ, 720 किसी के नहीं आने हैं, अगर किसी के घर नहीं पहुंचा है पेपर, और पहुंच भी गया होगा तब भी नहीं ला पाएगा भाई साहब। हाँ, फिजिक्स, बायो इजी है। हाँ, हाँ। बायो तो इजी आया, बट केमिस्ट्री मॉडरेट से टफ है, और फिजिक्स तो टफ है भाई। हाँ, फिजिक्स टफ है भाई। और मैं तो ये कहूँगा यार, ये सही नहीं है, बच्चों के साथ जाती है भाई। हाँ, सही काम नहीं किया इन्होंने, गलत काम किया यार। बच्चे बेचारे, एक तो तुम क्या बोले इस पर, क्या ही बोल रहे हैं, गलत बात है मतलब। हाँ, गलत किया इन्होंने। अरे मैं आपको बताऊं, श्रोडिंगर का ग्राफ एल्ले वेल्ले 2-4 टीचर ही पढ़ाते हैं, श्रोडिंगर कोई नहीं पढ़ाता, और श्रोडिंगर दे दिया इन्होंने। अब मैं तो पूछता हूँ, बड़ी बड़ी कोचिंग ही है इनके, आप श्रोडिंगर का ग्राफ ही नहीं पढ़ाया होगा, बच्चे की क्या गलती है? आसान नहीं है। हाँ, 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 बायो में शायद एक आध कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल टाइप भी है शायद, है। हाँ, हाँ। हम्म। हाँ, लेकिन नहीं भाई, केमिस्ट्री में इन्होंने आसान नहीं दिया, एक एमओटी थ्योरी दे दी। देखो, मैं अभी ये क्वेश्चन करा रहा हूँ बच्चों को, मॉलिकुलर एंड अरे एमओटी जो आईआईटी में पढ़ाते हैं उनको तो पढ़ाते हैं, नीट के बच्चों को कोई नहीं पढ़ाता यार। मतलब कुछ टीचर पढ़ाते हैं, अच्छे टीचर। नहीं, मॉलिकुलर ऑर्बिटल थ्योरी तो पढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन कार्बोकेटाइन की एमओटी कोई नहीं पढ़ाता, मतलब बहुत रेयर पढ़ाते हैं कि कार्बोकेटाइन रेजोनेंस की भी दे दी एमओटी और हाइपर कंजुगेशन की भी दे दी एमओटी। हाँ, मतलब देखो, हाँ, जो जो टीचर को टाइम, भाई लेक्चर भी तो ऐसे ही मिलते हैं ना, जिस टीचर के पास टाइम है। जैसे मेरे पास तो टाइम है, मेरा खुद का कोचिंग, मैं तो पढ़ा दिया। जिनको इतने इतने लेक्चर मिलते हैं, उसमें कहाँ वो टीचर को आता होगा तब भी नहीं पढ़ाएगा वो। 550 तो नहीं, लेकिन यार को चली जाए तो कुछ नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन 550 उसने ज़्यादा बोल दिया। 560, 70, 80, मतलब हाँ, मतलब इतना ही रहेगा इस बार भाई साहब। हाँ, आसान नहीं है इस बार। 40 नंबर तो पक्के कम कर लो, मतलब 620 से 40 नंबर, 580 तो हर हालत में, मतलब 580 वाले को तो मिल जाएगा। हाँ, 580 सेफ स्कोर है। अब नीचे जाने को कहो 60 चली जाए तो भी सही है, 70 चली जाए नहीं कह सकते, क्योंकि यार कितने आउट हुआ, कितने किसके घर पहुंच गया, कितना, ये सब बहुत चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करेगा यार। हाँ, लेकिन 580 पे सिलेक्शन है इस बार। हाँ, 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 तो केमिस्ट्री में तो भैया 2016 में जैसे आया था कुछ कुछ, जो वैसा आ गया, मतलब 3-4 क्वेश्चन तो कोई टीम मास्टर, बहुत ही बल्ले मास्टर पढ़ाते हैं। हाँ, 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 नहीं, अब पढ़ाना पड़ेगा, मतलब जेई लेवल। हाँ, हाँ, नहीं तो नहीं बनेगी भाई। हाँ, 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 हाँ। चल, चल, चलो अभी मैं थोड़ा देखता हूँ कि कहाँ क्या और है, फिर रुझान बताऊंगा भाई. ओके सर. Kids, if you are watching me, let me tell you, I was talking to a group of teachers. They are saying even the cutoff can go up to 560, 550. It's good news. And now see this question. This question really you have to read it out twice or thrice, then only you can answer this question. Just see on your screen that they are writing the empty p orbital. That means this they have taken constant. If you see this orbital, they have taken constant. Now see from the right hand side, its filled sigma is involved, and from left hand side, its filled pi is involved. Two are involved. One is doing resonance and another one is doing hyperconjugation. So the answer will be filled sigma and filled pi second. See, if you read it once or twice, you will say no answer is getting matched. But if you read it properly, if you read this properly, then you will understand that this empty pure p orbital, vacant pure p orbital, the plus sign one, they have taken as constant. They have not given in the options. If you are going to search it in the options, you won't be able to answer it. Now, from left hand side, this is doing a resonance and the electron is present in filled pure p orbital which is involved in resonance, that is doing resonance with plus charge, and here sigma electron is involved in hyperconjugation. So second, but this is from MOT theory and this you will get in my notes only, otherwise your teachers must have skipped it. I was telling you, such a toughest paper, if it's going to come, they can ask this thing. One thing I have told you, Schrodinger, and second thing I have told you that carbocation and free radical and the hyperconjugation, each and everything kids I've told you in my notes, in my lectures. Now, definitely, if you have not attended my lectures, you must have missed this option, missed this question. Now, how many really you have done this question? How many of you have missed this question? I don't know, but do let me know in the chat section. It's not bonus. Yes, Jajip, it's not bonus. They have used very, very sophisticated language. If you read it once or twice, you will see that it's going to be a bonus because no option is getting matched. But you see what a great language is being used by a teacher. But I will tell you once again that MOT theory, this thing is not given in NCERT. It's something out of NCERT, and I've told you just read it out my notes that this thing is missing in NCERT. Missing in NCERT, it's not given in NCERT kids. So the examiner was not supposed to give this question kids. Let me tell you once again, the examiner should not have given this question because it's missing in NCERT, so it's not in NCERT. This is, yeah, definitely very wrong because nothing they have given about this. This is molecular orbital theory approach. The teacher who is teaching, that's okay, I have told you, I have taught you. But if something they are saying that it will come from NCERT, so I would like to say it's not from NCERT. Nothing. The carbocation is there in NCERT, resonance is there in NCERT, but these things are not given in NCERT kids. It's missing in NCERT kids. Yeah, I kept telling you that this time definitely the paper will be on tougher side. I was the one who made one video to tell you, to warn you that this time definitely the paper will be on tougher side. If you know Baba H.S.P, Baba H.S.P was warning you again and again that this time paper will be on tougher side. If you remember, do let me know kids. How many of you remember that Baba H.S.P has told you that this time paper will be on tougher side? Do let me know in the chat section. I want to see that, kids, and I'm always with you. If anything, if any question is for bonus, Baba will let you know. Baba will help you definitely. Now, this is done. Now let me tell you other questions. Any other question left? Do let me know, kids, in the chat section. Any other question left? The electrochemistry question was there somewhere. Now see this question. 2 moles of an ideal gas undergoes free expansion. Free expansion means the values of system and surrounding. 2 moles of an ideal gas undergoes free expansion from 10 liter to 100 liters. Now, it's very easy, kids. It's very easy. So this question, definitely I would like to say it was the best question, simplest question and the best question. During free expansion, you know that no work is done and no change in temperature will be there. So it's really a fantastic thing, kids. If you remember, you could have solved this question easily, and do let me know that have you solved this question or not, and what answer is given by you, kids. Do let me know, everyone. This question, it's really a question from thermodynamics, and I would like to say it's really a which what answer is being marked by you, kids. It's really a good question from thermodynamics. Free expansion question. Do let me know, everyone, what answer is being given by you, kids. Do let me know. What answer is being marked by you? See, there is free expansion. The piston is moving freely. The piston is going freely. Then do you think that piston is doing any work? No work is done by piston. Now let's see how many of you have given the correct answer for this question. I am not going to solve this question. Do let me know, everyone. Let me check it out. How much marks, what is score you people are going to get. I want to see everyone's answer in the chat section. The 4 options are given over there. 4 options are given over there. Do let me know, kids. I want to see answer from your side. How many of you can answer this question? I would like to say from thermodynamics, at least 3 to 4 questions being asked. 3 to 4 questions. One based on Carnot's engine. Let me tell you, you can solve this question if you have done Carnot's question. Let me come to 59th question. Let me go to Carnot's question. Carnot cycle. Thermodynamics maximum questions they have asked. If you know this question, if you must have seen this question, Carnot's engine. Can you see? Now once again I would like to say, if you have studied your physics, then only you could have done this question of chemistry, because in chemistry, in thermodynamics, they have not given Carnot cycle, but Carnot cycle is being given in your this physics. So now generally teachers, chemistry teachers, they are not considering Carnot's engine. Once again, I would like to say it is out of syllabus for chemistry point of view. But from the physics, you could have done this question. Now, what answer is being given by you? Do let me know, kids. Now, you see, the first one is isothermal, the first process, T1, same temperature. So, this is isothermal expansion, reversible expansion, and this one is isothermal reversible compression, and these two are being adiabatic, Now you know that for isothermal process, work done formula is equal to expansion minus 2.303 nRT log V2 upon V1. Now for adiabatic it is NCB delta T. Now what option you have to go for? Do let me know. That option will be, what answer will be there? Do let me know what answer you have to mark. So your answer will be, out of these four, just check it out, W1 plus W3. W1 plus W3 will be minus 2 times V2 upon V1. So second will be the answer. If you add it, you will get it. Just do let me know how many of you have done it. This will be the correct answer. How many of you have done it? Do let me know, kids. Everyone, just do let me know. Everyone. See, this is not available in your paper. Something must be written over there. Just check it out. Twice of T1 ln V2 upon V1, it will be minus 2 times T2 ln V4 by V3. It should be like this. Just check it out. Oh, Mittal, very good. That's really fantastic. H.S.P. Mittal, welcome. That's really fantastic. Now, you see another question. Then I will go back to that question which I have given you, right? Oh, 11. You have marked it wrong. So see, let me tell you, this is not given in your chemistry thermodynamics. It is the part of physics thermodynamics. They should not have done like this, kids. So, one question from organic chemistry, if you have not studied molecular orbital theory, you could not do it. Another question, if you remember Schrodinger graph, if your teacher has not taught you that, you cannot do that question. I to have given at the last moment. You see, for RE-NEET. Wow, H.S.P. Mittal, that's really fantastic. Now, my dear student, let me tell you one thing, that if you have attended my lectures, then Schrodinger graph 1 you must have done, kids. You must have done that question, Schrodinger graph 1. Do let me know, kids. Have you done that? 11, do let me know, have you done that question, Schrodinger graph 1? Otherwise, generally people are not able to do Schrodinger graph 1 question also. How many of you have done that Schrodinger graph 1, kids? Do let me know. Schrodinger based graph question. Everyone? Shib? Okay, kids. Now, no one is responding, kids. Do let me know. Hidden concept, yes. I taught you or not. 11, and the question C, exactly the hidden one. 0 was hidden and 11 said, sir, make a video on this hidden one. 0 was there, and the same thing. On the basis of that, examiner has framed out that question. Previous lecture, yes, 11. Wow, Jaideep, thank you, really thanks. Now, if I come to this question, see, if I come to this question, You can solve it. The question I was telling you, kids. Now tell me this question. How many of you have solved this question? Tell me the answer, kids. I want to see the answer from your side. Do let me know how many of you have solved this question. And if you remember the formula, if you're not able to, first you have to tell me, then Baba will let you know that change in entropy. If you remember that change in entropy, delta S is equal to what? Delta S is equal to NCB ln T2 upon T1 plus NR ln V2 upon V1. This thing I have taught you. Now apply this formula and do let me know that how many of you can solve this question. Do let me know, kids. Baba is asking to you that how many of you have solved this question, and do let me know what will be the correct answer for this question, kids. Everyone, Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. Now see, I'm telling you temperature will remain constant because it is free expansion. Free expansion is always isothermal and adiabatic. And this delta S is of system. We can calculate delta S of system because entropy change is calculated for reversible system. It is always calculated for reversible system. Then do let me know, kids. Jaideep is going for 1. Others do let me know. Others do let me know. Quick, quick, quick. Fast, kids, fast. Fast, kids, fast. I want to see the answer. Only one kid is writing that Jaideep is writing answer 1. He has marked for 1. Rest of other students, do let me know. So your answer, Jaideep, is 100% correct. Now see how to get the answer. Just see. Free expansion from 10 liters to 100 liters. So I will write N number of moles to R is given the value of R. We can take the value of R as how much? 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, or in sense of R only, ln V2 upon V1. V2 is 100 upon 10. So 10, 10, ln 10. So how to do it? I can say 2.303 and R and log base 10. Log 10 is 1. So 2.303 into 2. So 2.3 into 2 is 4 point something, 4.6, and delta S of surrounding will be 0 because free expansion is there. Nothing they are taking heat. So first will be the correct answer. What happened, Jaideep? Jaideep, what happened? Jaideep, what happened? This is the answer now, first one. What happened, Jaideep? Do let me know. What happened, Jaideep? Do let me know. Jaideep, what happened? Do let me know. You have written, Baba, are you going very wrong? What happened? Do let me know. Fast, fast. Jaideep, what happened? Oh, okay, okay. This is this answer is right. So you see, temperature is constant, only the change in volume. So we know that ln x is equal to 2.303 log base 10x. So if you multiply 2 into 2.3, it will become 4.6. So delta S of system will be 4.606, right? So don't say thank God, it's your hard work. You have done it correctly. So your answer is 100% correct, right, Jaideep? Are you getting? Oh, your answers were getting wrong. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, now, should we go for another question? Now, see, let's see. Now, which question you want to know? The answer of which question you are searching for? Do let me know. Any question is being left, do let me know, kids. Question number. Then I will solve that question, kids. Do let me know. Any question, the answer of any question, do let me know, kids. Fast, kids, do let me know. Quick, kids, quick. Any question is left, do let me know. I will tell you the answer of that question. Baba will let you know the question of answer of that question. Fast, kids, do let me know fast. Any question? '71 question. Okay, let me see. Question number 71. Okay, now let's see question number 71. Everyone, arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of polarity. Now you see, increasing order of polarity. You see, ether is there. Ether is not that much polar. Code 60. In toluene CrO2Cl2, that one, that is Itard reaction. Itard reaction. You see that question if you want to know. This one, you are talking about this one, na? So it is Itard reaction and benzaldehyde is the product. And benzaldehyde you can get even from Rosenmund reaction. If you do benzoyl chloride C6H5 COCl's Rosenmund reaction, then also you can get it. So first one is right. On treatment of P with sodium bicarbonate, benzaldehyde is not acid, so this is wrong. P can be prepared by tolling. It is acetophenone, you cannot get it. And bromine water, so either with phenol it will give white color PPT or with aniline it will give. So all the options are wrong, only this one is right. I hope you got it. This question you wanted to know or any other question you wanted to know, just to let me know. Okay, Jaideep, this one. And 11, which questions answer you want to know? Do let me know which questions answer you want to know. Same paper 11th means 71 question or something else. क्वेश्चन नंबर 71 और समथिंग एल्स 11 चार्ट में था ये. यस, इट वाज गिवन इन द चार्ट. द माइंड मैप गिवन बाय मी, इट वाज ओवर देयर. इट वाज 11 इसी का 11 ओ 71. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी. Just wait. Now this question 71 question is also very good question. Let me show you kids. 11 is asking for which question? Where the question has gone kids? Yeah, this is the question. Everyone just see to it and then Baba will let you know. Everyone just see to it. I will take just 15 minutes more to solve all the questions. 15 minutes more kids. So that I can solve all the questions. Everyone can get the answer of all the questions kids. Let's see. Third is the correct answer. Now check it out. CADB. Just check it out. Now kids, if you remember that ketones, the polarity is not like this. Now Jadip, you are asking for question number KMNO4. If you heat KMNO4 at 513 Kelvin, that is given in NCERT, you will get two things. One is K2MNO4, and another one is MNO2. You check your NCERT, K2MNO4 and MNO2. Two answers you will get. This is given in NCERT kits. This is given in NCERT. Now, my dear students, this time from thermodynamics, they have asked 4 to 5 questions. Directly 4 to 5 questions from thermodynamics. And some of the questions, they are not the part of NCERT. Even if I talk about free expansion, that is also not the part of NCERT. If I talk about Carnot cycle, that is also not the part of NCERT. Even though Baba has taught you, Jadip, this question is directly from NCERT. It is given in NCERT. If you heat KMNO4 at 513 Kelvin, it will bifurcate into two parts. Black color MNO2 powder and green color K2MNO4, potassium manganate. You check it out. Now you see, one question they have given on degree of freedom. And that's nowhere it's being mentioned in NCERT. If you see the ideal gas of made of polyatomic, that question somewhere it is given. You check it out where it is given. Very good question. Which is the question number? That question number, if you remember, I have seen that question somewhere, it is given. Check it out. What is that question? Polyatomic gas, and they have asked for degree of freedom. Check it out, kids. Very, very good question they have asked. But once again, I would like to say that is not given in NCERT, then why they have asked? Why they have asked, kids? Once it is not the part of NCERT, how dare to ask? Can you please let me know which question is that? Which question is that? Degree of freedom one? I've seen somewhere. Anyone please can help me? Which question is that? Is there anyone who can help me with that question? That question is of physics or chemistry? Let me check it out first of all. That question is from physics or chemistry? $153, that is fantastic. If you are getting 153, that means your selection is for sure for chemistry. Fantastic marks. 153 is very good score. I would like to say it's the best score. 153 is very, very good score. One 122 is okay. 625 total. Then really, Parthivan, you are getting 625 really? Then you can expect best medical college, government seat if you are getting 625, because cutoff will go somewhere 570. 570 plus 10 minus 10. Physics 122 is really good score. If you're getting 625, that means your selection for the best medical college government seat is for sure. Let me tell you, mark my words. Wow, that's really fantastic. 120, no, it's not very low. You tell me 122 is moderate. What's your total score? Mahira, Arya, tell me what's your total score. Then I will guide you. 120 is not bad. It's moderate. This time 122 is not bad. I would like to say it's moderate. Mahi Arya, 122 is moderate. Tell me the full score. Then I can guide you for your selection. Tell me. Okay, no physics analysis. Then bio, how much is your score? In biology, what's your score? Do let me know. What's your score in biology? 350 plus 10. 350 and 350, 370, 470, 470, 470. At least you will get 100 in physics or not? Arya, will you get 100 marks, at least 100 marks in physics or not? Do let me know. Then I will let you know. Will you get 100 marks, at least 100 marks in physics or not? Then your selection for government seat is for sure. Even if you're getting 350 in your biology, no problem. 100% you will get medical government seat. You people can have it. Then 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Okay, this is all for today, kids. Any other query, any doubt you can ask. Otherwise, this is all for today. All the best, kids. I would like to say that really number of questions were like that. They were not supposed to give, but they have given. And that's why I kept on telling you that join classes of good teacher. They can let you know. 472, it's very tough. If you belong to general category, then 472, it's tough, because for general category I can say 570 somewhere. The cutoff will go for 570, and if you belong to somewhere Himachal Pradesh or some place like that, then ketone you can get government seat. But I'm talking for MBBS general category. They are just cutoff, you can make 40 to 50 marks on the lower side. Cutoff will be like that. Benzene treated with this. Okay. You see, now see, benzene treated with CS3COCl. Friedel-Crafts acylation you will get. Arrhenius question also, okay. You will get acetophenone, and acetophenone will undergo NOCl. NOCl means NaOH plus Cl2. Chloroform test. So consider this to be the R part. This to be the R part. So it will convert into RCONA, sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is used for pickles, making pickles, and you will get CHCl3. Now remember that CHCl3 chloroform on reaction with oxygen will produce poisonous gas phosgene COCl2. COCl2. So definitely the answer will be the last one. If P, because sodium benzoate, if you do hydrolysis of sodium benzoate, you will get benzoic acid. And Q gives a poisonous gas, means chloroform will give poisonous gas, that is phosgene gas. So fourth is the correct answer, this one. The last one, this one is the correct answer, this one. If P gives benzoic acid, that is carboxylic acid, and a poisonous gas on exposure, the another one, that is chloroform, will give phosgene gas. I hope that this one is clear. Now Jaideep is asking Arrhenius plot question. Okay, let me tell you Arrhenius one, where it is given, question number, which question is given, Arrhenius one. This is electrochemistry. Don't worry, ketone, if you are, this was the first chance, so prepare hard. If the second chance also, then you will get many chances. Don't lose hope. This time the paper was, what to say, not in favor of students. So don't start hating yourself. Now this is the plot one, okay. Now you see ln k. If I say here k is equal to AE raised to power minus EA by RT, if you remember this, and if you apply ln k is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT. So what they did, if you compare y is equal to minus mx plus c, y is equal to, this is c and this is minus m, and 1 upon t is x. So this one is your slope, EA upon R. Now what they are asking in the question, now you can put the values, you will get the answer. Okay, can you see, Dr. Jaideep, can you see? You can put like this, and what they are asking, if the energy of activation is this much and R value they have given, the temperature at which the rate constant becomes E square per minute is. So you can keep the value, you will get the answer. Have you got it? And if you can't solve it, do let me know. I will tell you the answer. Just do it, put the values, and then Baba will let you know what is the answer. Do it, do it. Baba will let you know. Yes, do it. Keep the values, and then I am going to tell you what is the correct answer. So this one is the correct answer. This one. This is your correct answer. If you have got this answer, then your answer is being correct. Have you solved it? I hope yes. So this was the last one. I hope that all the queries. Yeah. Bye bye. Tata. Take care. Okay, kids. Now time is up. Bye to all of you kids.